We are Team Falinge.
We are a secondary school located in Rochdale.
We will set up cameras in the orchard and garden areas to capture birds and other wildlife. These videos will be uploaded on our website to share with the community and encourage them to explore wildlife in their area.
We are working with a moss expert to grow and replenish moss in the northwest. We want everyone to know about how magnificent moss is. Linked into this, we want to grow moss in our garden to help reduce air pollution. Moss is also a fantastic microhabitat which provides a perfect home for invertebrates. This is important to improve biodiversity of invertebrates which have fallen 60% in less than 30 years.